Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 52. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got 1 here, 7 here, so this is our 8. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 9. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 3, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 8. But I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this top row, we're missing 1 and 4. Oh, there may be a mistake. We've got a 1 here, so this would be our 4 and 1. Oh, no, maybe not a mistake. If we look at this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 5. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. That 5 makes this our 3, 5, 2, 5. That 2 makes this our 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 covering both of these boxes, so our 5 must be here. 2 here, so 9, 2. For this row now, we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 7, 4. The 3 and 7 there makes this our 2, 7. To finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.